Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning ladies and gentlemen. Thank you to the English language coach Raden Nurayani Siti Patona, SSM Home, and my friend Everything I Love. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Iksani Swandi Putri. I am a student of D4 Informatic Engineering at Polytechnic Post Indonesia. It is nice to be here standing in front of you and presenting important topic. Today I'm going to talk about computer generation of generations. The title is Development of Computer from the first generation to the present. I'm sure this is interesting and I hope you will enjoy listening to my talk. Well, let me tell you that I divide my presentation into 3 parts. First, I will explain computer from generation 1 to 5 generation. The second, I will explain how to operate a computer from the first generation to the 5 generation. And the last part is 3 characteristics of computer from the first generation to the 5 generation. So, let me start by explaining computer from generation 1 to 5 generation. You may know what a computer is. A computer is a tool used to process data according to produce that has been formatted. So that from every generation of computer has development of the better development. The from of the first generation computer has such a large shape with a vacuum tube as a basic component. The from of the NES from has a very large size. The space of the second generation computer is smaller than of the first generation computer because it is made use a transistor base that has a smaller size than a vacuum tube that requires less electricity. This third generation computer has a small from compared to the previous. The generation computer because this computer is made using integrated circuits, a basic material for the computer alter. This computer still use a small transistor that can be inserted into the IC. Fourth generation computer have a simple from because it's manufactured using a microprocessor chip has thousands of transistors and several keys of circuitry elements which are connected to one another. In this 5 generation computer, the shape is getting smaller than the previous generation, and the 5 generation computer is still in the development stage, so that in the future this generation computer will be better. Ladies and gentlemen, please see the picture on the slide. This is first generation of computer. This is the second generation. This is the third generation. This is the fourth generation, and this is the 5 generation and still under development. Well, let's move to the next part. How to operate computer from the first generation and to the 5 generation. Just to repeat what I said earlier, that computer from the generation of generation have different from that are so much different. So in the operating they will certainly the different from each generation, which is about 140 kilowatts. For the language used on the first generation computer is a machine language. This language is very basic programming language, and this discussion is only understood by computer. The second generation computer are easier because there has been development. If the first generation used matching language, the symbolic language. By using the programming language, the programmer can be provide instruction with word. 3 generation computer are very easy and simpler than in the previous generation, which can make operator interact using the keyboard and monitor with the operating system display. 4 generation computer are easy and more sophisticated because the creation of a most graphical user interface or GUI to a probable computer called a laptop. Processor or the so-called CPU always develop from time to time until now. The fifth generation of computer is still under development but is expected to produce computer device that can respond using language that humans use. It is not now that this generation of computer is affected to the ability to study the environment around is ability to adjust itself. Well, let's move the last part. 3 characteristics of computers from the first generation to the 5th generation. The first generation computer has the character of 1. Has a hardware size that is much large and requires a large space. 2. Interior design of the operating system is made specifically and can only from certain text. 3. Program can only be made using machine language. Second generation computer have the characteristic 1. Main memory capacity using magnetic core storage. Using external strokes such as magnetic tape and magnetic disk. 3. Ability to process in real time and also real sharing. 3 generation computer have the characteristic 1. Electricity use is more efficient. 2. Software will be further improved. 3. Prices are increasingly affordable. 4 generation computer have characteristic 1 can use LSE or large cell integrate. 2. It has been developed by using a semiconductor and microprocessor shaped like a chip for memory. 3. Also market in the individual sector. 5 generation computer have characteristic 1. Computer still use LSE technology but will have a lot of development. It has features that continue to grow each year. 3. The faster in information processing. So, from the above explanation, it can be concluded that computers from generation to generation have different from with very good development. Even in terms of their operation, they have increasingly sophisticated development. In addition, generation computers have character that can distinguish between all generations of computers. Well, that's all from today. I Unfortunately, we seem to have run about of time. If you have questions, you can send me email through this email address. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.